Hello everybody, I am Nilima, secondary grade teacher with 8 years of experience. I have master's degree in mathematics and also pursuing bachelor's of education in mathematics and physical sciences. I am working at MPP school, Kelavati, Prathipanjali Mandal of Chittoor district. Chittoor district is one of the 4 districts in Rayalaseema region of Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Apart from having many major temples including Tirupati Tirumala, Srikalahasti and Kanipakam, it is also a major marketing center for mangoes, sugarcanes, grains and peanuts. When it comes to our school, it's located at Kelavati, a small village close to 30 families. It is also known for the hometown of Sri N. Amarnath Reddy Garu, the former minister of Andhra Pradesh. The total strength of school, which includes from class 1 to 5, is close to 30. One more teacher, rather headmistress, madam, namely Srimati Vijayashanti Garu, accompanies me in teaching and managing all the activities related to the school. The problems of the school I would like to state is, as it is obvious that due to pandemic, we as a teacher couldn't interact much with the students, and it's been a challenge in teaching and clarifying the doubts they have had in the curriculum. When it comes to ZIIEI training, it's been a great pleasure to be part of this training. A big thanks to the people who given opportunity me to take part in this interesting and motivational training. This training has given me enough encouragement and innovation and motivation to think out of box and contribute to the innovations which can have a massive effect on the education or learning environment. The trainers Sri Sunil sir, Navya ma'am, interactive approach and seamless presentation made the concept easy to understand. When it on the solution part, we have requested students' parents to download the ZIIEI and Innovative Pathasala app and encourage the students to go through the said content on daily basis. Provided the worksheets in the form of photocopies for the families who couldn't afford a smartphone, which helps them to be in line with the content what we have been told to. It was one of the biggest challenge for us to making decent strength in each class. We have taken steps to motivate the private going children, couple of habitations by explaining the facilities and benefits of education and particularly in government schools, and maintained the strength which is a booster. Always given highest importance for the practical or visual of each concept so that the concept can be easily conveyed or understood by the students. Motivated students to be part of cultural and other curriculum activities, which not only helps us to celebrate each occasion together but also helps students' mental fitness to a great extent. We will do our best to give ourselves a chance to be as one of the strong contestants for role model school of our district. I would like to extend my thanks for the opportunity provided by the Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for enabling this platform to learn and get best from